Here's a 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. This sporty riding, fuel-efficient Malibu is a perfect blend of form and function. And it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver observes the latest Malibu looks great, drives well, offers good fuel economy and 4-cylinder guise, and might just be the best family sedan ever brought forth by a domestic automaker. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.